Welcome to the Wealth Pathway, where your money journey begins.
Welcome to Acorn Lake,
Good morning. I've been expecting
where
you.
each boat tells a different loan story.
The journey was quite smooth.
Let's explore together.
Low down payment. Credit? No stress. Easy entry, even with a smaller budget. Backed by the government. Flexible terms, steady steps. Good for first-time buyers. Now here's sleek, conventional class. It's sharp, steady, and ready to perform. Lower rates over the life of the loan. Best for steady income and strong credit. This one's earned, built for those who serve, trust, honour, and real support. No down payment, no monthly PMI. That means more stays with you. Same boat, new deal. It's back, this time with a better rate. Lower your rate. Free up cash. Reduce payments or tap your equity. Now this is calm. Home sweet home. Just how you planned it. Use your home's value. Stay where you are. No monthly payment. More freedom each day. Small towns shine with big value. And yes, you might still qualify. No down payment. Eligible areas go beyond what you'd expect. So many boats, but only one fits your journey. Find your loan. Float your future.